Respected all, this is Muthu Bharati, librarian, Nifty College of Knitwear Fashion, Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. I am going to give on my paper presentation. This is for online national seminar on online teaching and learning, issues and challenges, organized by Women's Librarians Association of Assam, a division of Assam Library Association, in association with Library Information Science Links. My paper is a sub-theme of stress management in electronic environment through yoga practice. So the introduction point of view, just I quote few things what is happening in this world nowadays. Then what are the consequences of the problem, consequences of the COVID-19 issue, and how the teaching, this academic world is affected. All these things are mentioned in the introduction point of view. Then what about this virus attack? There are some viruses is an everlasting problem for the human community. So while we are adopting some precautionary measures, we can overcome those problems. On those things are I mentioned in this page. In to solve or to handling all these things in academic the institution point of view, what we have to do, those things are discussed in these few. Then regarding this online classes conducted by the institutions, what are the things and challenges faced by the human students community are discussed in few lines, because simply we can tell ask the students to come and join the online courses, we can give the instruction like this. But in the students point of view, what are the possibilities are there, because all students are not from city based or technology well oriented technology facility students, because there are some ups and downs in their parents their economical background. So considering all these things, the common word stress is applying for all the areas of this community. Even parents have some stress, then teaching point of view the teachers, then listening point of view the learners, the students community. So for all these things the stress is common to the human community. So how can we manage stress? So what is, first we know that what is stress, as according to the medical author Mr. William, stress is a physical, mental, or emotional factor that causes bodily or mental tension. So, so what are the causes? What are the effects because of this stress to our body? No, we can see this picture. Total body in important points, no, brain, nerves, muscles and joints, heart, stomach, pancreas, intestine, then reproducing system. So all these are interlinked. Because of the stress, all these areas will be spoiled. So we have considered because of this only. I'm giving some few points, suggestion to all the community people to follow such a things is followed by the ancient Indian culture. So we can see we can so we so far we discussed about the what is stress, how it creates and all. So there are some method to overcome from the stress. For students, so adopting some techniques, they are getting ready for listening the scheduled time. They may get some confusion because of their background, economical background. They have some facility of Android phone or laptop, all those things. So while we are scheduling the online classes, institution must consider all these things and fix one common platform to conduct all these online because the teaching community must have some all the facilities, listeners the learning community also must have all these facilities. So apart from this, how to manage the stress? By practicing yoga. My solution I'm bringing, I'm not going to give the exact solution for the stress management. Some suggestions only in my point of view I can give, because as I am I did my master of arts in yoga for human excellence, MA yoga I did after PG. I have some practical experience in my life for controlling the stress and overcome the stress and applying for my health also. So by without medicine, there are some possible uh, cure of many diseases in our body by practicing yoga. For yoga, no, what we have to do for preparation for doing the yoga, there are some few main important formalities are there. So before that, what I mentioned in my paper, there are some do's and don'ts for doing that yoga. There are some because without having the proper instruction or instructor, the yoga teacher, what we are telling, no, so instructor, without their guidance we can't do anything. So then after considering these do's and don'ts, everyone will get some idea. Then regarding this online classes conducted by the institutions, what are the things and yoga, then also for meditation. The yoga, there are many lakhs of postures are there in the yoga. So important yogas are standing position, sitting position, lay down positions, facing our face upward and downward. So these are these main. I thought that also I discussed in the with some few diagrams. Then apart from this yoga, important thing to reduce the stress means by meditation. So there for that also there are some do's and don'ts. Sitting posture of, for doing the meditation also we considered, that also mentioned in the uh, uh, apart from this all those things, so everyone must know the benefits of doing yoga and meditation. So whatever may be our project, because for as a listener, students or teachers or whatever may be the industrialist, everyone must need their life, the importance of yoga and meditation for their personal life. So for doing yoga regularly with proper food diet, we can manage depression. So we one must know that. Then conclusion I am going to give in written like this. Uh, this is not even though this is a thesis, for the well-being of the society, anybody can do yoga and meditation irrespective of the religion, culture, community. So that is a Tamil language proverb saying that if you have a wall only, you can draw something. Otherwise, if you have a paper and pen only, you can able to draw. So like that, if we have sound health and body, only then we can do something for the society. So for the sound health and uh, body, so we need to follow all these things. Let this pandemic period given us this immense pleasure of learning these types of healthy knowledge ideas we can implement in our lives and share with others also, may lead to the healthy society. Let us all rise against COVID-19 virus attack by make our body and mind healthy. For any type of ritual attack, viruses attack the human, if he or she having enough immune power, nothing will affect their body. This is what we learned from this session. So everyone don't forget to do yoga and meditation at least 6 days in a week, by give the rest to that yoga and meditation. Thanks. I for this paper I referred some for the definition of the stress from medicinenet.com. Then there are some few posters, pictures alone. I get it from this Hatha Yoga book by Swami Sivananda Radha. And I did what I did my master course in the yoga, no, from Vedatri Magarsi Institute for Institutional Education, Vision. It is called as Vision. All your it is situated in Pollachi district in Tamil Nadu. That website links also I am given. If anybody willing to go through all this yoga details, you can go through that website link also. Thanks for the opportunity given to me for this paper presentation. Thanks to one and all. Thanks to the Library Association, Assam Library Association.